Apply it 30 minutes before head wash to stop hair fall and regrow hair naturally. Hello and welcome, my friends. I'm so glad you're here today. If you're over 55 and you've started noticing more hair on your brush, thinning patches, or dull, weak strands that break easily, please know this: you are not alone. Hair changes are a completely natural part of aging, but the good news is there is something you can do, and it's simple, natural, safe, and gentle for aging scalps. Today, you're going to learn about a powerful pre-wash hair treatment you can apply just 30 minutes before washing your hair. This natural blend supports your scalp, reduces hair fall, boosts blood circulation to the follicles, and encourages healthy regrowth, especially in older adults. Before we get into the step-by-step method, let's understand why hair fall increases after age 55 and what your scalp really needs to grow strong hair again. Why hair falls more after age 55? As we age, several changes happen inside the body that quietly weaken our hair roots. 1. Reduced blood circulation to the scalp. Follicles receive less oxygen and fewer nutrients, producing thinner, weaker hair. 2. Decline in natural scalp oils. Less oil equals dry scalp, breakage, and irritation. 3. Lower collagen production. Collagen keeps roots strong. As collagen drops, hair becomes fragile. 4. Hormonal shifts. Menopause and age-related hormonal changes make follicles more sensitive. 5. Slower nutrient absorption. Even healthy diets sometimes don't reach the hair. These changes make the scalp fragile, but also more responsive to gentle, natural nourishment. Why pre-wash treatment works? Most people focus on shampoos and conditioners, but the truth is, the real healing happens before you wash your hair. A pre-wash treatment strengthens roots, protects hair during washing, deeply nourishes the scalp, reduces breakage, boosts regrowth. Applying the right natural blend 30 minutes before washing your hair allows the scalp to soften, open, and absorb nutrients effectively. The natural 30-minute pre-wash mixture. You only need 3 natural ingredients. Ingredient 1, warm coconut oil. Coconut oil penetrates deeply and helps reduce protein loss, moisturize dry scalp, prevent breakage, soothe aging follicles. Warm it gently, just enough to feel comfortable. Ingredient 2, castor oil. Rich in ricinoleic acid, castor oil improves scalp blood flow, nourishes weak follicles, supports thicker hair, and reduces shedding. Use just 1 teaspoon because it's thick and powerful. Ingredient 3, aloe vera gel. Aloe vera calms irritation, balances scalp pH, unclogs follicles, strengthens brittle hair, delivers vitamins directly to the roots. How to prepare the mixture. Step 1. Take 2 tablespoons of warm coconut oil. Step 2. Add 1 teaspoon castor oil. Step 3. Add 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel. Mix until smooth and creamy. Your scalp repairing treatment is ready. How to apply the mixture correctly. Step 1. Start with dry hair. Absorption is best on a dry scalp. Step 2. Divide your hair into small sections. This ensures full coverage. Step 3. Apply directly to the scalp. Target thinning areas, the crown, front hairline, and the back. Step 4. Massage for 3 to 5 minutes. Use gentle circular motions to boost blood flow and absorption. How long to leave it on? Leave the mixture on for 30 minutes. This is enough time for nutrients to reach the follicles. Do not leave it overnight, as aging scalps can get irritated with long exposure. How often should seniors use this treatment? 2 times per week for severe hair fall, 1 time per week for maintenance, every 10 days for oily scalps. Most people notice less hair fall in 2 to 3 weeks, softer hair in 1 week, thicker feeling strands in 4 to 6 weeks, new baby hair in 6 to 10 weeks. Consistency is the secret. Eczema, common mistakes seniors must avoid. Mistake 1, washing hair with hot water. Use lukewarm water instead. Mistake 2, using harsh shampoos. Choose gentle, sulfate-free cleansers. Mistake 3, brushing wet hair. Let it dry 70 to 80% first. Mistake 4, tight hairstyles. Keep them loose and gentle. Mistake 5, ignoring nutrition. Hair also needs nourishment from the inside. Foods that support hair regrowth after 55. 1. Eggs, biotin and protein. Strengthen weak roots. 2. Berries, vitamin C. Boost collagen. 3. Spinach, iron, and folate. Improve oxygen supply. 4. Nuts and seeds. Vitamin E and healthy fats moisturize the scalp naturally. 5. Salmon or sardines. Omega-3s reduce inflammation and support regrowth. 6. Yogurt, protein and probiotics. Improve nutrient absorption. 7. Carrots and sweet potatoes. Beta-carotene keeps the scalp moisturized. Ideal weekly hair routine for seniors. Days 1 and 2, pre-wash treatment plus gentle shampoo. Day 3, eat 2 hair-friendly foods. Day 4, light scalp massage. Day 5, mild conditioner only. Day 6, rest day. Day 7, optional second pre-wash treatment. Extra tips for stronger senior hair. Sleep on a silk pillowcase. Stay hydrated. Practice stress relief. Trim ends every 8 to 10 weeks. Avoid switching too many products. Expected results with consistency. 1 week, softer hair. 2 to 3 weeks, reduced shedding. 4 to 6 weeks, thicker feeling strands. 6 to 10 weeks, new baby hair. Natural growth takes time, but it works beautifully with patience. My friends, your hair is a beautiful part of who you are. Even after 55, your hair can grow healthier and stronger. It just needs gentle care and good nourishment. Give your scalp 30 minutes before your head wash and watch it slowly come back to life. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay strong, and take good care of yourself.